Alright guys and ladies, welcome back, and this is Crypto Phil. Today I just purchased a bot. Yeah, bot who is going to trade for me passively while I'm sleeping, while I'm at work, while I'm outside, while I'm, you know where I am. Okay, so let me explain you how everything is working, and I'm slightly excited for this project, okay? And also the good stuff is I'll be the piggy bank for you. I just put some money and I'm going to do update video for you every single week. That's my plan, every week or every 10 days, okay? Now, before we go anywhere, okay, please remember, nothing here is financial advice, just disclaimer. I'm not your mama and papa, what's mean I'm not giving you any financial advice. Please grow up and take responsibility for your own action in your life, especially in crypto, okay? This video is for education and entertainment purposes only. If you never watch any of my video, what's called More You Give, More You Receive, please go and watch and you will see how I'm helping the poor people in the Philippines, India and Africa. Okay, so why I'm talking for both on this video. Now, before we go there, just to see the market is performing very, very well. Today, we can see Ethereum is 4% for the last 24 hours up, and BNB is 5% up for the last 24 hours. Litecoin 9% up, okay, so that's great. And we have Bitcoin Cash is just going crazy, guys. I don't own any, but yeah, well done. Okay, congratulations for everybody who own. Now, I've been following one group, what's called Crypto After Dark, okay? And these guys, this one, Crypto After Dark, right? So these guys, what they did is they've been burned so many times, like me, like you, like a lot of people, like ourselves. So they start creating a trading bot. They say, okay, so a lot of platforms has been paying 1%, 1.5, 2% a day, and most of them rug, or they will die, or they will finish. So this guy says, okay, let's see if we can perform creating our own bots. And they're very smart people in this group, like everywhere, like yourself. I'm not smart for creating a bot because I suck, but I like to invest and to get in passively money. So that's why I'm here. I like passive income. So this bot is amazing. Why? Once you set up, hands free. Okay, hands free. You don't need to do anything. You don't need to go and do signals, trading. I don't know how to trade. A lot of people say, oh, learn how to trade. No, man, I don't have the time. I don't want to learn to trade because it's going to take me all my free time. That's not passive income. That's active income. You need to be there staring in the computer all day long like this with your eyes big. And then you need to trade, okay? So it's not for me. Probably for 90% of us, it's not for us. So these guys create a lot of bots, few bots. Some of them work well, but they've been creating bots for over a year. And they've been working for this bot, especially what I'm talking right now. They only have this bot now for months and months and months. And they have very good results. So that's why I ape in. Now, how you can ape in? It's very simple. You go to their group, Crypto After Dark. I'm going to put the link in the description. I'm going to add. And you go there and just tell them Crypto Phil send me, because the bot costs money. It's around 300 bucks. You'll get 10% discount if you say Crypto Phil send me. Okay, I'm interested to get the bot. Now, what is the good stuff here? You are in charge with your money. Okay, because once you create account on BITGET, okay, the link will be in the description, by the way. You need to create account on BITGET. That's how it's working. Okay, this is exchange. You create account here. You will see I create account, and you have one-to-one with one of the dev, with Keith. He's the main guy. And one-to-one over the phone. He helped me to go through everything. Once you set up, make sure you have 1 hour and a half, 1 hour and 10 minutes. For me, it's take me exactly 1 hour and 5 minutes. Okay, hour and 5 minutes. And I set up everything, okay? Everything is fine. If I have an issue, I'll go to his group and he'll help me again. 24/7, you have support. You buy the bot once, forever. No payments fee, no percentage, nothing. That's the good stuff. Now, how much the bot is performing, we'll go there. Now, this is the BitGet. Once you set up, you will see I put 300 bucks here. Why? Because I want to show my journey for this bot. My plan is to do videos every week or every 10 days, update videos for the bot, how it's performing. So hopefully in a couple of weeks time, this money will be 400 and even more, or maybe double in a month time. You never know how the bot going to perform. If you need the money ASAP, you can just get out your money, you know, make sure you close the trade, make sure you're not in loss, and get out. Okay, simple as that. If you need the money for emergency. Otherwise, what I'm going to do here is, once next week, was today, Saturday, next Saturday, Sunday, I will come, I will check, do I have more money or not, how it's working, how it's performing, and so on. So it's more complex to get in, but simply says you need to go to TradeView, okay, to get registered there. Revenue bot, you need to get registered there to buy the bot and all that stuff, and BITGET, and all of them, the kit and the team, they're so helpful. They will help you all the time. They will guide you through the steps. Step 1, step 2, step 3. It's very, very simple, but just take a little bit of time because there are really some small things where you need to be adjusted. Now, if you go to right here to TradingView, you will see this on 15 minutes chart. You will see this is the signals what TradingView, what the bot giving, TradingView giving to the bot giving to the BITGET, and is buy, sells, and so on. It's all connected. It's all connected. Right here, you will see. There we go. Buy 1% profit, sell. Buy 1% profit, sell. So how much you can earn? So that's the good question. All right. So if you go there, all right. So you can go and read here to get more information. I will don't bother you with all that information. The main stuff for me, I set up the bot. I pay. I got 10% discount. I paid, and I use my code CryptoPhil. And I set up the bot. I put some money now, 10 minutes ago, literally, and I'm going to sleep now. Not now, but later on. And I'll come back in a week time and see how it's performing. Is it performing good or bad? But that's me. I'm passive. If you want to go and check what's every trade, how it's going to go and all the stuff, you can set up an SMS. You can get text message on your phone for every trade you make. But that's boring for me. Just put me some stress, unnecessary. Now, so that's the good stuff. Nobody is in charge for your money. You connect your bot with your account. Again, the bot cannot take your money, they cannot withdraw, nothing like that. Okay, simple as that. And it's trading for you. You can go and read here everything how it's explained. Make sure if you go and if you decide to purchase the bot, make sure you tell them CryptoPhil, send your, the code is CryptoPhil so you can get the discount. Otherwise you'll pay 10% more. Okay, so that's the one thing. Now they have some, let me see, some profits. Okay, there we go. 26% on this one, okay? They have 50% on this one. It's crazy. This is XRP bot. It's doing trading XRP on long 25 leverage and all that stuff. So yeah, it is what it is. It's very interesting bot. So remember, probably the price, once they sell 10, 20, probably 20, 30 bots, because I'm the first one who got the bot, I believe, I think from outside of their group. Once they sell few, 10, 20, 30, the price will be increased. Whatever question you have, you can go and ask them all the time in their Telegram group. They're always active there. The group is an absolutely amazing. They have a so good knowledge. Most of them, pretty much a lot of people there, and they're very, very helpful. That's the good stuff. It's not like you buy one and you cannot get a customer service or you cannot help. They are there to help you and to guide you through the process all the time because they're all using the same bot. So everybody needs to win here. Okay, so that's the good. Again, that's about it. I will show you next week again a video for this specific bot. I still don't have, I don't think they have a name. I call it Crypto After Dark bot. Okay, After Dark, Dark bot, nah, Crypto bot, Crypto After Dark bot. Simple as that, like their group. Okay, I'll call like that. So I'll make a video next week again and show you my progress. So I have 300 bucks now, right here. 300 bucks. I hope this will be 350 or maybe 360, 400, you never know, maybe 200. I hope I will don't be embarrassed. All right, so that's about it. Thank you so much for watching, subscribing, liking. Please leave me a comment, let me know what you think. Love you all. Have a great night, day, wherever you are, and do whatever you want to do. Do something good, by the way. Bye.